Hi, welcome back to Cookbook Club virtually. I'm Miss Beth. Today we are going to make a few different types of gourmet specialized grilled cheese. Now, this is not your typical American cheese with between white bread. So today we're going to be using sourdough bread. Okay, but you can really use any kind of bread you want. So if you want to use white bread or wheat bread or challah bread, egg bread, anything works. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is a balsamic blueberry grilled cheese. So we're actually going to go over to the stove. So I'm going to take the camera for a little walk here. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our blueberries, pour them in the pot. We have our balsamic vinegar. It's 1 tablespoon, half a cup of blueberries. And then 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, put it in there. I'm going to give it a little stir. Let's see. All right. And then we're going to bring it to a boil. And we'll let that sit there for now, and we'll come back when that's done. All right, so we've been boiling for a couple of minutes here. All right, so you're just gonna keep stirring and kind of smush the blueberries as you go along. All right, we're gonna take it off the heat, and then we need to strain it. Okay, so now we have our blueberries, so we're gonna get started with that. All right, so we have some melted butter here. All right, so we are going to spread that on one side of the bread. All right, then we're going to spread our blueberries. All right. We are going to add some spinach or arugula, or you don't have to do anything if you don't want the greens. All right, and then we're going to add our cheese. So I have a piece of Gouda, a piece of cheddar. You can use any white cheese you want. You can even use mozzarella or goat cheese, any kind of cheese you want. All right, and then we're going to spread the top one with some more butter. And we're going to put this on the griddle to start cooking. All right, I'm just going to move this out of the way. All right, our next one is our apple grilled cheese. So again, butter. Okay. And we're going to use Gouda for this one as well. So we're going to put on some cheese. Do some apple, some more cheese there, and we can just add a little more cheese there just to make it good and cheesy. Oops, wrong side. And we're going to butter some more. And onto the griddle it goes. All right. Our last one is our cheddar cherry chocolate grilled cheese. Now we've done this one in Cookbook Club before. So again, we're going to butter our sides here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do the cheese. And then we have our cherry pie filling. on. All right, and we have our chocolate. Some more cheese. And then our last topping here. And again, this is going to go on the grill here. Alright, so these are going to take a little time to melt. Or we can quicken it up by putting a lid over it. But we'll come back when it's done. With grilled cheese, you can be creative with it. You could do any kinds of cheese you want. You can come up with some other kinds of fruit filling. You can put meat inside, so you can do bacon or turkey. Lots of different things you can do with grilled cheese. All right. So this is the boring part. We're just waiting for it to cook. So I'm going to hit pause while it's cooking, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. All right, we're back. The last one, the cheddar cherry chocolate grilled cheese, is just finishing up. Let's see, so gooey. Just get that one a nice cut down the middle. All right, so here we go. We have our cherry chocolate cheddar grilled cheese. We have our apple and Gouda grilled cheese. And then we have our balsamic blueberry and spinach grilled cheese. All right, so that's our grilled cheese, and I hope you enjoy it. Try it on your own. The recipes will be on the website, and be creative with it. All right, thank you.